Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we're talking about what I have sitting in my new products, new to me product drawers slash baskets that I still kind of need to make videos about, and your input would be helpful if you'd like to give it to me. And if you don't, well, that's just rude. To my left, so I have a set of Alex drawers. I have a desk from IKEA. And to my left, I have a regular kind of size drawer, and I have, I was gonna say condiments, there's no ketchup in here. There's like lipsticks, blush, smaller type of makeup. But it's all new stuff that I haven't used in videos yet, I haven't really talked about, that I still have to use. There's a ton of stuff in here. There's like 40 lipsticks, a bunch of liquid eyeshadow, there's blush, there's contour, there's a ton of stuff. But like, I'm just gonna grab a few things because I'm not gonna bring everything out. So I have like a handful of the, I think it's just new packaging. But it's the Wet n Wild, what the hell is this? Mega Last matte lipsticks. They have like a satin, I guess, glossy version of lipsticks in like the white tubes, and then they have the matte ones. I'm pretty sure it's like the regular old school Mega Last, but now they're in like nice new sleek packaging. So I have like a handful of these. I have from my Trend Mood giveaway that I won, I have that Kaja blush. What shade is this? In Koi. I still haven't touched it. I'm kind of scared of it. Not scared of it, but I mean, I'm scared of the stamp. But then I'm like, I don't have to use the stamp. Why don't I just use this goddamn thing? I like cream products. I have two new blushes from Milani. They're baked blushes. Luminoso is like one of my favorites, and I mean, it's a cult classic. These shades are Petal Primavera and Sunset Passion. They do also have two new flower blushes as well. One's a little too deep for me. I think it's like Spice something. And then the other one is good. I have the Skin Glazing from Noblets in the shade Ozone. I have one of the new Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte liquid lipsticks in Partner in Crime, which I think this is gorgeous, but it has to go with a certain eye look, obviously. This isn't new by any means, but I still haven't tried it yet. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion in Medium Glow. Why did I get this one and not, okay, this is fine. I was like, why did I get this one and not the lighter one? But this is completely fine, like I can get away with this. I hated the Milani like glow lotion. I hated it. I'm hoping I like this more. So that's just like an idea of what's in that drawer. And then I have a ton of palettes. Some again are from the Trend Mood giveaway that I won, and some are ones that I bought recently and a while ago that I still have yet to use or talk about. We have the Sweet Valentine Lurella Cosmetics Beauty. They sent this to me in a mystery box that, if you didn't see that video, I'll list them both below. So I bought one of this company's mystery boxes like around Christmas. It was like almost $100. It was horrible. I did a review on it. I was not kind. I ripped them apart. When I bought that box, I was under my real name. I didn't say I'm a channel, like beware. Well, after I complained to them, because I did complain because that was an expensive box. Is this seriously it? Like, you've got to be joking with this. I was not happy. I reviewed them on their website saying this was not a good box, like blah, blah, blah. They literally sent me another box for free. They listened to their customers and made a better box and a cheaper box. Anyway, so this came in that box. This is the Sweet Valentine palette. I haven't used this yet. These I have used, just not in a video. So if you guys want to see it, let me know. These are from BH Cosmetics. These are really cute palettes. I have the Trendy in Tokyo palette and the Summer and Saint-Tropez. Really pretty. The metallics in here are size gorgeous. I have this really interesting palette. Again, I won this from the Trend Mood giveaway over Christmas. This is I've never heard of this brand. I think they're an Australian brand if memory serves. This is from Model Rock Cosmetics. I won a few things from this brand from that giveaway. And this is the Color Playbook Neon Pastels Series 1. Again, I swatched it a few times. Gorgeous colors. Feel really nice too. We have the Jouer Tan Lines palette. Again, haven't used this either. Swatched it a few times. Heard some not great things about the mattes in here though. The metallics, I mean, stop with this. Just stop it. We have one of the Profusion Mini Mauves palettes. I really like their mini palettes. They have great shadows, this brand. I've had a few misses here and there, but most more often than not, really good shadows. I have two Body London 9 palette. We have the Rust and the Jewels. I haven't even opened these yet. So their old packaging, they had like the long packaging, the long palettes, like the OG ones that Ulta first started carrying Lottie London. Whew, that formula was horrendous. I remember using it in a video and I mean, it was horrible. I've seen Make Me Up Missa, I feel like, use one of these and they worked amazing for her. I'm hoping they change the formula and these are better. And they're really affordable, so I thought I would try it again. I just ended up getting the I Love Sarahi, is that how you pronounce her name? Sarahi? Dose of Colors palette. Everybody always swears how amazing this is, so I really wanted to try it. And again, these metallics. The Dose of Colors Friendcation palette is one of my favorite palettes of life. So I thought, I'd probably love this too. Again, I've just watched it. I haven't actually used it yet. I don't know, when I get new stuff, I want to use it with you guys. And I'm a creature of habit, so if I'm not using new things, I'm using old stuff. And this stuff is just sitting here. My friend Allie sends me a lot of like stuff she gets in subscription boxes that she won't use. She doesn't really like bright colors and she doesn't like a ton of warm shades, so I get a lot of those from her. This is the Mood palette from Ruby May. I think she gets this in like the Tribe box. Like, look how gorgeous this is. I think I used this in a video before, but I didn't use it getting ready in the video, so you guys have never seen this. I mean, this palette is incredible. Again, from Trend Mood, these are two Millie Rose palettes. I have one Colors in Bloom and Bloom Heat and Bloom Rose. These kind of remind me of ColourPop. I haven't even swatched these because I want to kind of use these. Oh, you know what? These do remind me of like newer ColourPops, like the mauves and the nudes, which is cool because I wanted to get both of those and now I don't have to because I didn't even realize these are kind of identical. But they only have like, they don't have as many nudes in here, like actual like mattes in here as ColourPop usually provides. But yeah, I still want to try these. Another really sweet friend and subscriber sent me these NYX palettes. We have the Phoenix palette and the Ultimate Brights. Again, I've used these off camera and they're great, but I haven't used them on camera. I thought it's something maybe you guys would want to see. Again, from Allie, this is the Miracle Glam Light. This is from Glam Light Cosmetics. It's the Miracle palette. Again, she got this in a box and it's too warm for her. She'd never use it. I swatched it. I'm low-key celebrating today because I'm home alone. Well, Louie's here, but my older kids are at their dad's. My husband is working for the day. Next, we have the Violet Voss Essentials. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I never used it. It's beautiful. I haven't touched it though. This green looks lovely, and Violet Voss has great shadows. I like that it's a neutral and has like a few pops of fun colors. This palette I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I wanted to see if it compared to my, you know, the Urban Decay, that palette that I love. Which one is it? Not my Moonstone. Because it has the same kind of formula. Moon Dust, is that what it's called? It looks like it has the same formula in these shadows. I don't think it does actually, but I got it. I think it was like $12.99. It's the Too Faced, what the hell is it? Glitter Bomb palette. Kind of similar, but it's not. No. The Moon, what the hell is it called? Why can't I remember? Moon Dust, that's it. Yeah, it's not the same. No, these are like pressed way differently. They're kind of almost similar, but not quite. Now you can find this at TJ Maxx and Marshall, so there's no need for this. But I haven't used this yet, and it's still worth trying. Again, from Trend Mood giveaway, the Ofra Pro palette. This is the Soul palette. This is like a face and eye palette. Really pretty. Ofra has some of the most amazing highlighters ever. Ever. I don't know which ones these are, but I know you can like depot these. Which one is this? I can't even say, that sucks. But we'll swatch these. This one right here, because this one is probably gonna be too dark for me. Yeah. But I've not even picked this up. That was the first time I swatched anything in here. The next. I haven't touched this at all. I haven't even unstickered it. This is the NYX Escape Artist palette. I love the modern, the first Swear By It palette, and then the modern, the second one. I love those, but I love both of those. I'm hoping this is just as amazing. I love the layout. I love that it's warm and kind of neutral. I can't wait to try it. Let me know if you want me to. The next is also from Lurella. This is the Electric City. This also came in like the updated box that they sent me. Look how gorgeous all these mattes are. I'm hoping they're as amazing as they look. They feel really, really good. Hey, baby. Almost done. Why don't you go get dressed?
Oh, I was going to get a snorkel real quick.
Okay. She came to snuggle real quick. You're my baby.
Can I give this to you, Mom?
You can put all this away for me. Let me put it all back in my drawer. The lip stuff goes here.
Mom, does this go here?
Yes.
Okay.
The next is the Violet Voss Best Life palette. I died for this, and I got it on clearance or sale or whatever at Sephora 4 months ago. I think during the holidays when they had like, when it was on sale. It's normally like 50 bucks or something like that, and I got it for like 20 something. It has like these crazy micro glitters, which are on par with ColourPop, but much smaller, and Tarte, which also amazing, and Kat Von D pressed glitters, which are also incredible, but there's not a ton of them. They're very strange because they're almost like sand-like, but they're gorgeous. And the cool thing about these is that I found that most pressed glitters, they like skip on your hand. They leave these big empty spots and you have to apply glitter glue and everything. And obviously these will work the best with glitter glue, like most will, but you don't need glitter glue, and that's the best part. And because they're so micro fine, gorgeous.
Look, Mom,
You did such a great job, thank you. Then here we have all the shadows. Again, I've just swatched them a handful of times. I don't think I've actually used them. And if I have, it was like once. And I don't remember. Maybe that's not a great sign. Anyway, next is the Kat Von D Lolita Pura Vida palette. I actually used that on my eyes today. I've used it a few times on myself, and I actually made a video using it that I have to edit still. But this is an incredible palette, and I love it. I waited to get this for so long just because I wasn't sure if I needed it, but then there was like a extra pro discount sale or whatever, so I got 40% off instead of the normal 30. This is gorgeous. It has a pressed glitter in it. It has these really pretty cream shadows. There's only 2 of them. I wish there was more. This is gorgeous. Oh, excuse me. This is gorgeous. I hope they come out with more like palettes with the cream shadows because these are incredible. And the last 2 are very old, not very old, one's pretty old. I've been wanting to try this for so long and I finally bit the bullet. It's the Larlade Nudie Patootie palette. I've wanted this for years and I just never got it. And finally I did, and I can't wait to use it. I've had it for like 2 weeks and I've yet to touch it. I've heard nothing but amazing things. I can't wait. And the last is from Urban Decay. It's the Naked Reloaded palette. Again, I've heard nothing but amazing things about this. I heard it's like one of their best. And I'm waiting on a video to try it for the first time. So please let me know what you guys want to see in a video. I'm gonna use everything, but I mean, making decisions is always is not my strong suit. So make sure to let me know what you guys want to see, and it'll help me decide. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know what you want to see, what you liked best. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
You done with your video?
I'm done.